video, I'm going to be showing you the new Fulfillment Insight dashboard that's going to help you FBM sellers on Amazon help your handling time and improve your overall recommendations that Amazon's giving you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you some extra tips on how you can manually change your handling time. Let's dive in. Okay, so first thing is you're just gonna log into Amazon Seller Central. You're simply gonna go to here, you're gonna go to Inventory, Manage Sellers Fulfilled Products, and if you are an FBM seller, like I mentioned, you can see this, click on Recommendations, and you can see right now, this recommendation is just the handling time optimization. So as you know, if you ship orders out late on Amazon, you could potentially be suspended, and we don't want that, you don't want that. So this just helps you. Amazon's trying to track your average actual performance. It's 1.2 days. So Amazon's saying, okay, update your handling time to 1 day. So you can simply update your handling time here very quickly. I do believe Amazon is going to be adding to this managed seller fulfilled products area in the future. And not only are they going to be having handling time optimization, but they're going to be having a lot of other recommendations as well, hopefully optimizing your shipping template and other methods like that. Remember, handling time is extremely important, so don't just wash this away. Definitely update your handling time and see if it affects your sales. If it does impact your sales, then change it back. But usually it's not a huge deal. And if you do want to manually change your handling time instead of doing it through this app, what you can do is go to Manage All Inventory. Once you're in your Manage All Inventory section, go to one of your FBM listings and then click Edit. You're just going to edit the listing, and then on the Offer tab, you should see a Handling Time section, which is going to look like it right here. It says Handling Time. So you can just put 1 for 1 day, 2 for 2 days, and then just click Save and Finish, and then you'll save and finish that. Double check it within 24 hours and make sure your new handling time is showing here. You can even check your listing as a buyer, and the handling time should have increased by 1 day. If it hasn't increased, that's your time to call Amazon and say, hey, my handling time isn't showing, and just triple check with the catalog team that your handling time is showing. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, please do drop a like. And if you are an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to this channel because we're going over a lot of tips and news that keeps you updated on your Amazon selling journey. If you want to see more in this video, have any questions, concerns, or want us to make a video for you, please do drop a comment below. I read those personally and make sure we can give you as many videos as possible. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. It's in the description. What we do is we have our own consultant that's going to look at your Amazon account and help you expand internationally, expand to eBay, Walmart, and Etsy, and make sure that your sales and your listings are increasing. Your sales ranks should increase, as well as your overall sales each month. It shouldn't be the same, and if it is, contact EHP Consulting Group, mention monthly management, and we can help you with that. Talk to you soon.